The chainsaw, the quintessential tool for arborists and loggers, combines power and precision, allowing for efficient tree felling and lumber cutting for a variety of applications. Arborists benefit from chainsaws with lightweight and compact handles, designed for climbing and precision cutting in confined spaces where traditional chainsaws can be cumbersome. Compact and efficient pruning chainsaws serve arborists and gardeners, facilitating precise and controlled pruning without damaging surrounding vegetation. This saw chain, with advanced chromium coating, enhances durability, reduces friction, and extends the life of the cutting chain for long and efficient use. Cutting down too many trees will To be able to use the saw effectively and safely, we should learn how to use it carefully before using it. A huge oak tree was felled by a chainsaw in just 5 minutes. With a height of about 20, this is truly a dangerous and difficult job. His chainsaw skills are amazing. Compact and lightweight mini chainsaws, often called top-handle chainsaws, give arborists and tree climbers enhanced maneuverability for precision cutting in tight spaces. It has a rotation speed of about 300 revolutions per minute. At this speed, the chainsaw's working efficiency is amazing. greater fatigue, allowing for longer periods of use without compromising comfort or performance. This is the most basic way to cut a tree for beginners. It will ensure the tree will fall according to your wishes. The Most Adventurous Man award officially goes to him. The tree trunk is too small to hold his body weight. These woodcutting competitions will demonstrate the outstanding capabilities of each different machine. It looks like it cuts a log like a banana. The adaptability of chainsaws to different bar types and chain types allows users to customize their machines for specific tasks, enhancing their versatility in various cutting applications. If you don't have protective equipment, stand in the direction of the falling tree and cut, avoiding splinters of wood flying into your eyes.
Two, one, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
These adaptable tools have developed over time, integrating advanced attributes like ergonomic designs, enhanced fuel efficiency, and improved safety mechanisms. Share your thoughts on which chainsaw you believe is the quickest. Kindly support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.